Hey, it's Mason from Mason's Forex Trading and Investments. Please take note of the risk disclaimer. Everything provided in the video is strictly for educational purposes. Please also hit the subscribe button, like and share the video with your friends and your family. The content to be covered today: quick introduction, why you must never rush to become rich fast, especially in the Forex trading industry, advantages or guide of using this free trading tool and what it can do for your trading skills, quick fire summary of the content. Bonus, I will give you tips on using the trading simulator based on my own practical experience. Introduction. Are you a beginner and looking for truthful, non-misleading information and a powerful free trading tool? Are you someone who's looking to accelerate your learning without any courses or being forever dependent on paid signal services? Are you someone who has lost your entire Forex trading account with signals? Are you someone who is stuck or not sure how to move from a beginner or intermediate phase to a live trader? Are you a live Forex trader who believes there's much more to your ability, confidence, and you want to go more faster to achieve more in trading? Then this video is just for you. Why you must never rush to become rich fast. Would you ever drive a vehicle on a major highway without a license? Most probably not. You prepare by studying a book, you get a learner's license, more preparation or practical work or a test, and finally, you get a car license. Let's do another example. To become a doctor, it's 5 years preparation or theory, and it's 2 years practical preparation. Then officially, one becomes a practicing doctor. Now, let's do one more example, and I define it as some comedy time. This is the only career in the world which takes less than 6 months. Can I reveal? It's Forex trader. And you buy a trading strategy, a 1-week course, or paid signals, and after 3 to 6 months, you become a millionaire. All BS. Do you know what's BS? It's called belief systems, which are sold to us by the aggressive marketing from Forex mentors in the form of Ferraris, Lamborghinis, watches, millions of dollars of trading profits, etc. This is the most misleading information as they show how fast and easy it is to make money with trading. Please beware. Here's the true story which you may hate me for. Forex trader, 2 to 5 years practical and theoretical learning. It could be longer or shorter as we all learn at different paces. Then we have potential live trader and potentially profitable live trader. Forex trading is like any other career or business, which requires massive time and effort. There will never ever be any quick money or fast money without effort or commitment from an individual. The advantages and general guide when using this free trading tool. This trading tool allows you to trade as if you are in a similar environment to the market conditions, which is amazing. This simulator uses historical data and you can cover many years of trading data at a very fast rate. While you use this simulating tool, it's very advisable to also immerse yourself and study the key levels, the flow of the market, the way price moves, market structure, etc. It's also recommended that you treat every trade as if you are in the market and have real money on the line. Simulate or use this free software tool in a noise-free environment without any distractions. So I've included the link in this presentation. You can also type on Google My FX Blue Simulator, and I'll also leave a link in the description for your quick access. Over a lot of time and effort, you will see patterns or common occurrences in the market. This can be used in the future to potentially profit from. Don't memorize the charts, candlesticks, or know the prior direction of the markets. Cover and block the screen if you have to. Have a clear set of rules for yourself written down and next to you. Some rules, for example, time frame you like or interested in trading, specific pattern like the engulfing bar setup, 3-bar reversal, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, etc. Please don't pay for these strategies. You can easily find them on Google. In fact, you can Google or YouTube easy trading strategies to get you off to a start. Quick examples of easy strategies below. So we have a bullish price structure. From the left hand side, you can see we have an engulfing bar which forms strategy 1. And then we have a pin bar, strategy 2. And finally a breakout strategy, number 3. The opposite holds true for bearish price structure. Furthermore, your objective is to test strategies so you know exactly how it works. Never ever trade without properly testing your own technique. Your job or task is to collect as much data samples so that you have the knowledge, confidence, and understanding of your strategy. Remember, a strategy is unique to you and your life. You also need to write down or document all your trades on an Excel sheet so you have this data or this information is accessible and easy to see. If I asked, how does your strategy perform? You must be able to give me answers. For example, strategy performs with a win rate of 55%. There are 10 losses which occurred in a specific year in a row. You'll also get to understand position sizing, important information like costs of your stop loss. For example, a 50 pip stop loss costs maybe $5. If you take, let's say, 10 losses in a row, you could roughly lose $50. Do you really want to be an elite trader? Test your technique as much as possible. Now let's say you are testing a 3-bar reversal. You must monitor yourself, make sure you are trading as per your plan. Consistency is an absolute key here. When you test many times, please make sure you have not memorized the candlesticks or patterns as per that specific instrument. You can test other pairs rather than testing your strategy directly after the first attempt. Take note that everything you are doing or going to do is defined as preparation. Preparation is key to success. Over a lot of time, you will feel much more confident or feel that you are getting better. This does not mean you should be trading more or higher lot sizes. This does not mean you become greedy in the market or think you know it all. No need to rush for live account, and only you will know when you are ready. Money comes in time. Summary: Trading Simulator is there to help you go faster, quicker, or super boost your trading skills. Remember that the simulator takes you back in time and you can test strategies very fast. You can save yourself money by self-training using this amazing tool, and this saved money can be used for your live trading account. The trading simulator is also there to make you highly independent. Strategies do not need to be complicated and can be very simple. No need to buy them or anything FOREX related. Your commitment and dedication will determine your success over a long time. Don't try to be a millionaire in 3 months if you just started out. Learn to enjoy the learning process and give yourself enough time to develop your trading skills. Make sure you are continuously learning and developing as a person. Now it's time for the bonus round or bonus time. Let me quickly show you the most important tips on the simulator based on my experience. We are now on MetaTrader 4 and we have the trading simulator already installed. If you go to Tools and you go to History Center, you'll notice that we have a database of almost 155,000 records. From 2021, and if you scroll down right to 2013, you'll see we have approximately 8 years data. From the 8 years of historical data, I can say that I can do more testing, and more testing means more practical experience. This is powerful information, or it's also very important to have a lot of historical data. Also, if you notice on the tab, you can actually export and import data. So you can export from one broker to another broker, and you can also import this data. So if you're looking for history center information, I recommend finding out from your broker, or you can also look on Google for free historical data for MetaTrader 4. If you look at my charts, you'll notice I have a moving average, which is 200, and then moving average, which is 400 for the black line and for the red line. This is the 15-minute chart. My general rule is, as soon as price is above the red moving average or the black moving average, I will buy. And the strategy shown in the previous slide, you can obviously pause the video and go back and have a look at those strategies. I'll be looking for the strategies here. I'm going to unpause the simulator. You can see the simulator is now running. I also have the 4-hour chart available. What I can say is, if you download this trading tool, you will also notice they will give you a free PDF document. You can also, it will show you step by step how to install this free trading simulator. If you do have any questions, please ask me. I will respond to your questions on the comment section on YouTube. So now we're hunting for a setup. We're going to let the simulator run. Moving the slide decreases the speed, and if you shift the slide to the right, the speed increases. So we are studying price. You can also go to the 4-hour chart. You can see price broke above this pink line. The level is actually 32.3. Back to the 15-minute chart. You're wondering what is this blue line here? It's simply the ATR 14 period, which is a free indicator on MetaTrader 4. I will use this ATR for my stop loss. Once I get a setup, I will show you exactly how I use it. So if price can break above this specific line, the price level is 30.60. If I get a candle, let me try and draw it for you. If I get a candle which closes bullish, I'm going to look for an entry in my stop loss. will be 1 ATR from the low of the bullish candle. So for breakouts, this is how I use this setup, and this is how I set the ATR. So we're going to let the simulator run. So we're looking for that candle formation. I'm going to confirm if this blue candle is actually pickable. This blue candle does meet the requirements. You can see we have another candle which has already moved. So when we're searching for an entry, we can actually slow down our simulator so it helps us to get our entry in order. So this blue candle forms a breakout trade. As I mentioned before, 1 ATR as the stop loss. I go here to the tab and I press buy. Then I can move the simulator tool, or rather the slider, to the left hand side to slow down the speed so that I'm able to now set a stop loss. If we go to the gear icon, we now go to edit, SL, which is your stop loss. We go to fixed price. 1 ATR from the low. First of all, we need to get the ATR value. In our case, 2.35, which is actually 23.5 pips. The T54. So this is 1 ATR below the low of the blue candle. If you look at our tab, you'll see USD minus 0.21 in the middle. That means our stop loss is actually worth 21 cents in the negative. And our current profit is 0.05 cents in the negative. Back to the 4-hour chart. I favor buy positions on this instrument because we know from history it is in a strong uptrend. I'm going to let the simulator run. Unfortunately, in our case, we've been knocked out, or we've taken a loss, sorry. So the simulator can run while we look for our setup. This blue candle here does form a breakout, so one could have entered here, and I would place my stop loss 1 ATR for this example. Let's see if we can find another entry technique or setup. If you had a 1 ATR stop loss, you may have been knocked out on this candle. So this is how the market operates. Comes for our stop losses. We're still looking for positions or a position to enter. These three candles form a potential 3-bar reversal. If I had to draw it out for you, this doji candle will be 1. This is also a type of doji candle. And this blue candle engulfs this red candle. So this is a representation of this setup. I'm actually going to place a buy for this trade. If you look at this red candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the 5th. This is a type of retracement, or it is a retracement, and I favor the higher, or I favor the buying side. The price could actually go to this level and rotate lower. My first target can be at this level. Back to the tab, I'm going to press buy and slow down the simulating, go down the slider or push the slider to the left hand side. And then I go to the gear icon. I press edit. We now go to stop loss SL. And we go to fixed price. I'm going to be using 1 ATR. Value is 1.50, so that's approximately 15 pips. I'm going to be using 15 pips stop loss from this low of the candle and 1 ATR stop loss. The 1 ATR, if you're wondering where it comes from, I've tested it for my specific strategy. So you don't have to exactly use the same ATR as I use. You can test different ATR values if you wish to do that. So now I'm going to the low of the candle, and we said our ATR is, let me get that figure again, about 15 pips. So from the low of the candle, I'll be placing a stop loss 15 pips, so it will be 30.74. And I press set stop loss, then I unpause the simulator. We're monitoring the candles. In our case, unfortunately, we've taken a loss. If I go to the results tab, you'll see I have, my balance is now $9,999.66. What I can say is, if you can afford to lose $100, please make sure you set the simulator so that you're able to duplicate or have an account which has $100. It wouldn't benefit you if you trade a $10,000 account and you can't afford $10,000. So please try and simulate whatever money you can afford to lose as a trader. This will really benefit you, and it will give you proper direction with respect to your trading. So we've come to the end of the video. Until the next video, goodbye.